Hello team, welcome to our March 14th team update. This is a special edition where we will go over some system tips, tricks, and insights. Before we jump into it, we wanted to announce our upcoming Tech Open Forum Google Meet, which will be held on Tuesday, March 18th. We will send invites out soon, so keep an eye out and looking forward to seeing you all there. The search function in your OFS app has multiple uses. Before using it though, please make sure your search preferences are set up correctly. You should only need to make these setting changes once, as the system saves your search preference settings. In the upper right-hand corner of the OFS app, select the magnifying glass icon, then click the Settings cog wheel icon. Make sure the following are checkmarked. Keeping in mind, you will need to scroll down to see all available options. Account number, work order number, primary phone, secondary phone, name, service address, client name, CAID, and receiver number. Lastly, change the date drop-down to without time restriction. The search bar will now allow you to search for previous customers, but also for receivers on your truck. When adding receivers to a work orders equipment list, put the last 4 digits of the receiver number in the search bar, select the receiver, and follow normal steps from there. Besides receivers, all non-serialized hardware used off your truck must also be added to the equipment list. Please note, the system will automatically add OSS items once it's been processed through the SH store. Here is a list of the most commonly used hardware, but if you're having trouble finding a specific item, please let us know on your dispatch line and we will assist. Here is an example of proper notations that we look for on every single job. Please make sure your site work notes include all work done, what was RA'd, or say no RAs if there were none, who you discussed the CSAT survey with, who was present for the sound check, and who you discussed OSS with as well. Please also make sure to mention any previously existing damage or any other important details. If needed, you can always go back to a job, open the account notes, and add more. This is a view of a technician's route seen on the dispatch console of OFS. Here you can see the orange arrow indicating that the technician activated and that the AM process was started immediately after activating. Complete your AM process as soon as you start driving to your first job. You can also see that the start and end times of the jobs are accurately reflected on this timeline. The light blue space in between each job is calculated as drive time. So, in essence, if a job or activity is not started, the autorouter sees it as drive time. So, if you're not on a job or not driving to a job, please make sure that you build and start some kind of activity so that the autorouter does not see it as drive time. Now, as soon as you get home, you start your PM process, then immediately complete it and deactivate, which you can see by that orange arrow completing the last activity. Dish's autorouter learns your work times and drive times, which impacts how it routes work to you. If you forget to start or end a job or activity, please let us know on your dispatch line so that we can adjust the time and keep the autorouter data correct. If you have an important message you want to quickly refer back to on Google Chat, you can star the message. To do this, push and hold the message you want to save. On the pop-up menu, click More, then click Star. From the home screen, towards the bottom, select the 3-button menu and go to the Starred screen. When you open up your starred list, you will see all of the messages that you have saved or starred. If you ever want to remove a message from your starred list, simply go to your starred list, find that message, and click the star button, and it will remove it from that list. And that's all we have for you today. As always, thank you all so much for all of the hard work that you do out there. We truly appreciate you, and we hope that you enjoy the rest of your week and have a lovely weekend.